Why do we only see what we want to see? Have you ever formed an opinion about someone or something and then started looking only for evidence that proves you're right?
She's always taking breaks. She arrived late again. That must mean she's lazy.
One more reason to believe I was right.
But when that same person works hard several times, our brain may simply ignore it.
A magnifying glass appears. It zooms in on evidence that supports your beliefs while quietly ignoring everything that challenges them. Why? Because your brain loves being right, even when it's wrong. Psychologists call this mental shortcut confirmation bias.
When we look for information, we often pay more attention to things that confirm what we already believe. People who are aware of their biases try to examine evidence that challenges their beliefs too.
The next time you're sure you're right, ask yourself, am I seeing all the evidence or only the parts I want to see?
A little more awareness, a little less judgment, a better world. Sweet psychology.